Okay, so for now, let us try to switch to see what is happening on the US dollar index. Like I said, it has importance on what could be happening on the gold market, and definitely I'll be back on the gold charts if you guys are just enjoying to feel what is happening on the gold market. So what is happening, guys? Okay, so as simple as this, if we are looking at short-term market, so based on the short-term time frame, 15-minute charts, we have been able to see that prices has actually been continually going down. So let me just extend the downtrend channel so we can see it clearly here this way. So as you guys could see, that prices has actually been moving lower and has actually shown us the tendency for US dollar index to weaken. And we have already been seeing it across last week, 12th of May until today. And certainly this is the start where prices starts to reverse on the short term and starts to build down, going down lower from 101.6. And then prices just drops, conforming towards its downtrend channel, even though we are not really see that perfect definition of downtrend, but certainly prices has been moving in that directions, and we are seeing that the trend is still existing. And we've been seeing actually last night, US dollar index broke down of the sideways range that we have been seeing that has been happening since this Monday until yesterday. And I believe that once the US dollar index broke down, I believe that's also the main reason we started to see that gold prices starts to break out higher and touch 3,300, because since yesterday, prices starts to broke down lower until I believe this is the Asian sessions for today, and prices starts to peak at 3,320. And afterwards, we started to see that the US dollar index rebounded on the short term, and we started to see the sideways over the last 3 to 4 hours, where we are actually back here once again. And we could actually see the very similar movement happening on both gold and silver, a typical sideways. And so this is what really happened on the US dollar index, and that's why we could actually be seeing that reflected back towards the gold market,